Hi viewers, I am going to show you how to make a prawn cocktail. To make the prawn cocktail, we need prawns, boiled chopped prawns. Into the boiled chopped prawns, I have to use orange juice. I am making for one person. So it is nice to have about 2 dessert spoons of orange juice soaked for 1 hour. Finely chopped onions. Lemon juice, we put 1 dessert spoons lemon juice and soak it for half an hour. Then tomatoes, chop the tomatoes, nicely blend it, just break it up and keep that ready. Now what we are going to do is, see this orange juice, we have to strain it. After 1 hour, we strain this. This is half an hour. Don't keep for very long time. After half an hour, soak that. Take it off. Now I put the tomatoes. Just press it, blend it and have it ready. Now I have got it like this. The 3 juices. Now I put the yogurt. Say about 1.5 dessert spoons of yogurt. That also you mix it. Along with that, we need a little salt. If prefer, you can have a little pepper. That's left to you. Blend it nicely. Now what I am going to do is take the cocktail glass, salad leaves, finely chopped, but very gently I am holding the salad leaves. Put that in. Then we need the prawns, not the whole thing, half of the quantity. Over that, I am going to use the juice. We have a piece of prawn and a piece of parsley. Now this cocktail is ready. This is my version of the cocktail, prawn cocktail. I hope you will enjoy preparing this, and of course you can have it as an appetizer for a meal. Before a meal you have this, and then we are going to make a starter. So keep watching. Now I am going to show you how to make a small starter too. To make this starter, I need short crust pastry. So we will make the short crust pastry. I have already made the short crust pastry. I will show you how we have to make it. 150 grams of flour I have taken and a little salt. Half a teaspoon of baking powder we need, and we need 60 grams of butter. You have to nicely blend it together. This is how you blend it. You nicely blend it in this. Then what we do is, little by little you add the water and make the pastry. And of course you make the pastry after that. Mix it well. With your hands, you nicely make it. I have already done the short crust pastry, and I am going to show you how we are going to roll it and mix it. This is how you do it. Roll the pastry. When you are rolling, at least once the pastry is done, you have to keep at least for 15 minutes before you start rolling. On a board, you roll this. Pastry should be rolled. Now this I am going to do a cone shape. Every time you roll it, lift it so that you can see whether it is sticky on the board. Now going to cut into strips. Actually I am going to cut into strips, that is roughly 1-inch strips. Cut into 1-inch strips. Now I have got these cones. Butter it. Don't butter up to the end. Leave 1 inch. Now what I am going to do is, take this on the cone. Don't press it too much. Stretch it slightly, overlap halfway, And I told you that we have left 1 inch, so you prick it, just cut it off. I am going to bake this. Stretch slightly. Stretch the pastry slightly, don't stretch it too much also. We are going to bake this now for 15 minutes, 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit. Bake it, and then while it is warm, you take it off. While you are taking it off also, you should know, I can hold it like this and take it off. That's the reason we left 1 inch here. Now you keep it in the oven to bake. Now we are going to do the filling. To make the filling, what I need is tuna. Tuna only I am using. Tuna, whatever you like you can use. Tuna is the best. Either you can use tuna or you can use boiled flake chicken, meat, whatever you like you can use. And I am using green chili, half a green chili, and curry leaves, onions. That's all we need for this, and a little bit of lime juice. We will use salt, pepper, chili pieces, and a little turmeric and a little butter. All that we have used, mix it well. We are not going to cook this. Now I have taken this pastry. I hope you could remember. We made the pastry and we baked it 15 minutes. This is the pastry that I am using to fill this. We can use savory, spicy, or else if you like you can use sultanas, cashew nuts, cherries, and a little butter icing. Mix it like the way we use the butter. Butter icing could be used, and fill this up so that it will be a sweet filling. We can have a savory or a sweet filling. Now I am going to use the potato cream. This is the potato cream I have made. That is, boil the potato, squeeze it nicely with the potato masher, put butter, white pepper and a little salt, and fill it up. A piece of strawberry or cherries. Cherries will be a little sweet, so we can have. This is going to be the starter for the cocktail we made. This is how you do the preparation when guests come or for a special occasion. When you want to make it, this is how you have to make. So hope you will enjoy all my recipes so that you can subscribe and like it, so that you will know how the preparation could go on, because in time to come I will be giving you more and more recipes. Thank you for watching.